How to use Pinterest catalogs for product. First of all, launch the Pinterest application on your device. Then tap on your profile icon on the bottom right navigation dock. Tap on the setting gear icon on the top right corner. Once you're here, all you have to do is now head to this account management option. From here, you can convert your account, your personal account, into business account. Once you convert your account by tapping on this option, all you have to do is now claim ownership of your website domain via your Pinterest settings. Then install the Pinterest tag tracking code on your e-commerce site. Ensure your website explicitly lists your shipping, returns, and contact details. From there, choose your connection method. Direct platform integration is one of the easiest methods if you use platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Salesforce Commerce Cloud. Then install the official Pinterest application from their respective app store. Log in through the application to automatically bridge your catalog and instantly sync titles, pricing, and availability. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.